A lot of you users might have installed LSposed on their devices, and the working LSposed modules working in 2022. I just wanted to let you know about all those modules, so stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. The video could be quite interesting for you. Let me tell you that I'm using the LSposed latest version. So as you can see, this is the UI which you have, which means the monet theming it supports and looks quite good, and it even supports Android 13 developer preview version, so that looks quite good. These are the modules which I just want to let you know. Maybe some of the modules you already know, and 5 modules which I am sharing with you in this video. So classic power menu, core patch, gravity box, kilogram, and lucky patcher. I'm not talking about the new magic modules, but these are quite interesting and useful ones. The first one includes the classic power menu, and this looks damn cool. You can see this is the UI which you have. You have these options already available for you, which is called home controls, device controls actually, and you can use these things, and the power menu looks quite good. And the best part is it even works in Android 12. By the way, I'm testing these modules in Android 11, but these should work in Android 12 also. Not all, but at least this classic power menu should definitely work in Android 12. And by the way, this module is actually not actually proper module. It's available as a module which will give you better things and better compatibility, but if you want to use it without module, you can use that too. The second module which I just want to let you know is called core patch. I've installed the web browser as you just saw, and we have installed the 4.3.6, and this is the version 4.3.4, which is a downgradable version. And when I click on install, it's installing successfully, and yes, I'm using the downgrade version and it's installing successfully. This is what a core patch app or module can do for you. You can downgrade the apps without removing the original one. Looks quite interesting one. Third module which is in our list is called gravity box. Might be quite famous module out there, which was supported with LSposed framework with Android 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. so on. We have this thing available working with Android 11 also. One thing, let me tell you that this does not support Android 12 or Android 12L, so if you're using the version till Android 11, you can definitely use this. Gravity Box has quite interesting features and customizations available for you if you use a Lineage OS and Pixel Experience kind of ROMs, which does not have major customizations for you. Then you might give it a try. Looks quite interesting, and I'll recommend you to use Gravity Box if you need some customizations and etc. things. I think so. It's just my opinion, of course. And these are the things about Gravity Box. Another module which is in our list is called Lucky Patcher. Lucky Patcher, I don't think so I need to explain you anything. You can simply crack the license verification. You can simply get those in-app purchases for free. It will not work for all the apps and all the games, but yes, it's still working in 2022. It will give you some cool and interesting options, some benefits for you, but I'm not going to explain that anymore in this video. I don't think so. I will try to, but yes, you can definitely give it a try, and I will definitely recommend you installing this. Last but not the least, called a kilogram, which does not have any kind of interface, and it will simply remove all the sponsored messages from Telegram. This is what this module is all about, and I don't think so it need any other explanation. So these were the modules which I just want to let you know. Link for all of these modules and how to install LSposed, everything is already available in the description, so make sure to check out that. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.